Namaste. I'm sure you have all heard about Swami Vivekananda and also have seen him in various places, on covers of books. In various other institutions, you would have seen a portrait of Swami Vivekananda. But have you ever read him? Perhaps not, because you don't know where to start, where to begin, and read the huge literature that he has contributed to. Imagine, can we recreate Swami Vivekananda in today's times? Can we make him our own personal teacher and mentor? Imagine bringing him back to life by using the power of artificial intelligence. That is what we have done at Rishihood University. We have created this amazing portal called Vivekananda.ai, where you can personally interact with him in a very chat driven and a search driven portal where you can access the knowledge of Swami Vivekananda in a very interactive and immersive way. You can ask any questions that come to your mind, and the chatbot would delve into the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and bring them back to life in a very personalized manner and share it back with you. More importantly, the chatbot would also give you citations to the original sources from where these teachings have been derived from. So, we are trying to bring Swami Vivekananda back to life in a very, very immersive and a personalized manner for all of you so that you can access his teachings in a very simplistic way through a very simple interface of search and chat of his teachings. I request all of you to please check out this portal and play with it. The feedback that we have received from across the globe has been tremendous. Finally, we have been able to make Swami Vivekananda very accessible, very personal, a personal teacher and mentor to all of you through a very interactive technology built on the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you. Please check it out. Namaste.